All right, folks. I just want you to know that this is a place I come to. For all you new people, you're probably not used to this. But, yeah. This is a... Oh, oh, I don't always know what all these things are. I'll just put it to you that way. But I can tell you there's many of them. So, anyways, I just want to show you the objects. And you'll get a orb from time to time. I'll pull out in a few minutes and show you the orbs. They come, they go, and they'll float across the screen or take a turn or... But anyways, let me show you. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's changed into... Oh, it's, well, attached to something. And, okay, well, there it is. Oh. Anyways, I can't explain any of this. So, I've come here so many times and talked about this place so much that I just sit and I watch it. Now, I haven't been here in a while. Quite a while. But it's definitely amped up. Definitely. Yep, sure has. Some weird looking creatures now. They don't look quite like they did before. There's some surprising entities in here now. They're all not the same. They do differ. They do. I don't want to freak you out too much. Really, I don't. The first time I came here and showed a video of this, I was really nervous. Because I can't explain it. A lot of people have given their theories. I've given a few of my own. Everyone's welcome to leave their theory of what this is. Please do. Okay, we are in Botswana. That's where this place is. Hope you enjoyed. We're going to take off from here. It's just really... Whoa, that's some weird stuff. Now, see it. Unless you've seen this so many times, it's kind of hard. Look at that. It's kind of hard to take. I'm used to it. I didn't know if I'd ever be able to sleep again after watching this. You know, when I first came upon it. It is pretty bizarre. Looks like it might be dying off a little bit. A little bit. Oh. Okay. Hope you're all having a great day. I'm going to let it play out because I'm not really sure what will come. Even if the elephants come and get a drink of water, that'll be fine. I got cats here, elephants here, lots of different things. I've only seen the elephants. Okay, here we got one. Keep an eye on it. They end up moving. I don't know what that one will do, though. Sure, we'll see. Wow, there's another one. Pretty cool. Very cool. What do you think these things are? We know they're alive. I still wonder, at night in the dark, are we breathing this stuff in? Yuck. There's a couple hairy looking ones in here too. They just move so quickly I can't point at them. Wow, what's that? Whoa. Pretty bizarre. I'm going to stop now so I can come back later and check it out. I have to see what those are on the back, because there's nothing out there. That's a wilderness preserve kind of a thing. Well, I mean, they go on safaris and things like that, but I don't know if they go out in the dark. If those lights break up, that's not people or a vehicle. And I'm certain they wouldn't be on foot. Not with the creatures there. It'd be too dangerous. What am I doing? I can zoom in. Well, they disappeared anyways, pretty much. Yeah, there it is. There's one left. Oh, and it's gone. Darn. It wasn't a vehicle or a person. That's my hunch. They're getting hairier looking, aren't they? I see my new subs have grown. So, to you new subs, seriously, thank you. And this is why I'm making this video. I took today off to kind of like relax and indulge and watch people's videos. But I thought maybe I might want to put something bizarre out there for you, so you have something to see also. I know where to find Bazaar, that's for sure. Is that cool or what? You should be okay not to have nightmares or be afraid. Don't let your imagination overtake it. Yeah, this stuff is in the air. You know, it's life. What are you going to do about it? Everything has, not everything, but obviously there are rights of existence. You know, rules. So. Probably not everything's the greatest, but everything exists. It's just the way it is. That'll end in a second. The train's just starting up again. Hope they didn't drop off any Jade Helm. That's the bonus or not, living next to a track. Either I get it first, or I can use that for an escape. Either they get me or I get on the train. That is something else, isn't it? I have been at this location for so long, going back a while. I come here and just watch it, waiting for new developments or patterns to change. Man, that's crazy. I'm gonna go now. You guys have probably had enough of this if anyone's even still here watching it. Because it's so weird. Be blessed, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you on the flip side. Thanks for swinging by.